It's Cody here at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a walk around on a 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29BH. Walk around the outside, show you some of the features, and then we'll head to the inside. On the front, you're going to have your power tongue jack. You're going to have two 30-pound LP tanks, spot for two batteries up front there. It does have the electric stabilizer jacks, side camera prep, and backup camera prep. Non-door side of the trailer here through the pass-through, you got a light, and then you also have your 12-volt cutoff. Frameless windows, super slide out, and then you do have some storage on the back side of this slide out as well. So this is going to be underneath the U-shaped dinette. You've got your outside shower here. Top left hookup here is going to be your black tank flush, and then the top right one there is your city water connection. Gray tank valves there, black tank valves, so one combined spot for all that to come out of. Rear electric stabilizer jacks, and then this is a 30 amp circuit trailer. Cable input here on the back. You've got the Goodyear spare tire with the spare tire cover. Also mentioned before, the backup camera prep. You've got the baggage door here, so what this will do is you can fold up that bottom bunk and be able to slide in bikes or, you know, a canoe or something like that. Roof ladder here is going to be for maintenance, checking your seals, stuff like that. Back side of your camping side of the trailer now, you're going to have a nice outside kitchen here. You've got water. This drawer pulled out is a little prep station with a little water tank, holding tank. Take this out, empty it. Nice little refrigerator here. So this is going to be 110 only, mini fridge. Then you've got a little storage drawer here with the built-in beer opener. Outside light here, so the light switch is going to turn on a little light underneath the MoRide steps. Extended grab handle. Really big awning, spans the whole camping side of your trailer. DSI hot water heater, gas electric. Two outside speakers. Your furnace intake and exhaust. And then you've got the backup, or the access to the back of your refrigerator. Your freshwater fills here, outside TV bracket there, and then you've got power outlets and TV output here. Front side of the camping trailer here, you've got an outside table that you can bring with you. This does have the J-port mounting system for that Blackstone griddle. Your 30 amp power supply cable, override jack for the tongue jack, and then an override bar for the for the electric stabilizer jacks. Lights on both sides. Nice molded front cap with the window in the bedroom there. Alright, so we'll head into the inside of the trailer here. Give you a quick look around after I get some lights on. So J-command system here up top right of the door. You've got the light switch there, so you can run either the fireplace or the water heater. They cannot both be on at the same time. And then you've got a quick access panel if you don't want to scroll through the J-command. Give you a quick look around and go from there. Alright, so we're going to start in the kitchen here. You've got the L-shaped countertops, lots of drawers down here. These are the Jayco standard drawers, the 80-pound ball bearing guides, and tons of room. In-floor heat, and then you've got in the ceiling ducted AC. You also have a Max air fan out here. inside speakers, and then you do have a skylight here in the kitchen. Overhead storage here. You've got the cutting board and dishes dryer on a 2-place sink. You've got the shower, extended shower head here. Power tower with two 110 outlets and two 12-volt USB outlets. This unit is also equipped with solar. 3-burner cooktop here made by Furrion with the oven. You also have these smart gauges so you can see when propane is on. That way if you smell propane, you know where it's coming from. The Furrion 12-volt refrigerator, give you a lot of room. Nice size freezer, door storage. Entertainment system here, so this will come with television. You also have your radio down here, no DVD player, and then your fireplace, the electric fireplace here. We have a trifold sofa on the one end of the slide out, and then you have the U-shaped dinette. U-shaped dinette also has storage underneath each side. And then we talked about that outside storage underneath that back seat as well. Light switches here. It's going to turn on the ones above the table and the middle one there. And then you've got the underlight for like a nighttime use for underneath the sofa and dinette. Nice little pantry here, right next to the bathroom. Then you got a good sized bathroom back here. You got your foot flush toilet. Nice back wall shower, tons of room in there. Skylight. If you're tall, you will not have a problem. Solid showers. There's no squishiness to these as you walk around in them. Sink. And then you do have your magnet closed medicine cabinet. So it's a corner medicine cabinet. Lots of storage. You do also have a roof vent in here with a fan. And then you have some storage here for hanging towels, washcloths, stuff like that. Double on double bunks. Jayco 600-pound rated adult-friendly bunks with the 4-inch teddy bear brand mattress pad. And like I said earlier in the video, this does fold up so you can store bikes, kayaks, canoes, stuff like that. Work our way to the bedroom. You got a nice pocket door here, and it does lock on the inside of the room. Emergency window, and another window over there, get your cross ventilation. Big window to look out as you're laying in bed. Each side of the nightstands here is going to have a 110 outlet and a 12-volt USB outlet. A little wardrobe on each side of the bed. And then what I really like about these 29BH is you've got your own little closet, little dresser, tons of room in there. So if you have any questions about this 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29BH, you can email us at sales@gogscamperway.com, or you can call us at 1-800-714-7895. Again, my name is Cody. Thank you for watching.